Hello children, how are you? So, in the series of linear equation in one variable, and we are going to start the exercise 2.5, but before doing exercise 2.5, you must know how to reduce equations to simpler form. Because so far we have studied only equations having simple equations. Only simple equations we have studied, and that very easily we have solved. But now what happened when we having equations which are so many fractions, different denominators, and both variables also in fraction, then what to do and how to do these questions. So children, don't worry about that. It's very easy if you just follow the method. So how to reduce? Reduce means we will simplify this equation to simpler form. We will reduce this equation to very simple form. But before it, you have to look carefully. So how to do? First, see denominators 2, 5, 3, 4. So you have to take LCM of denominators. You must take LCM. So let's start solution. LCM of 2, 5, 3 and 4. You have to take LCM of all denominator. First take LCM. So what is the LCM of 2, 5, 3 and 4? So LCM is 60. Now multiply with LCM means this 60. Now you have to multiply this 60 with each term of the equation. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to multiply 60 with each term. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to multiply 60 with all the terms. So let's multiply. This is the method. You must remember this method. 60 into x by 2. 60 into 1 by 5. 60 into 1 by 3. And 60 into 1 by 4. So we have multiplied with 60 within all the terms of the equation. 1, 2, 3, 4. In all 4 terms we have multiplied. Now let's simplify. 2 ones are 2 30s are. 5 ones are 5 12s are. 3 20s are. 4 15s are. So now multiply. 30 into x, 30x. Minus 12 equals to 20 plus 15. So see children, one x is also there, x by 3. So 20x. So see children how we have converted this very difficult looking equation into very simple form. We have reduced the equation. Now very easily we can solve also, bringing variable to one side. So we have brought 20x here. It will change the sign. Transposing 15 and minus 12 will come there, plus 12. 30 minus 10, 20, 10x equals to 27. It implies x equals to 27 by 10. So see children how easily we have done all these equations. So see next question again. Here also we have to take LCM. What is LCM of 2, 4 and 6? We will take LCM of 2, 4 and 6. So what is LCM? 6 or no 12. 12 is the LCM. Now we will multiply with 12 to all the parts of the equation. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will multiply in all. Don't forget that here there is no denominator, so we not to multiply. No, we have to multiply with LCM in all the parts of the equation. So let's multiply. 12 into n by 2, 12 into 3n by 4, 12 into 5n by 6, and 12 into 25. 2 6 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12. So multiply 6n, 3 to the 9n, 5 to the 10n, 12 1 the 12, 252. So see how simply we have solved the equation. We have converted, we have reduced the equation to simpler form. Very difficult looking equation, very simple now. Now 6 minus 9 minus 3 minus 3 plus 10. Minus 3 plus 10, how much? 7. 7n equals to 252. N equals to 252 divided by 7. Divide. So n equals to 36. Therefore, n value is 36. Now again, let us do question number 3. So here children also see LCM we have to take. There are so many fractions, 8x by 3, 17 by 6, minus 5x by 2. So let's take LCM. What is LCM? LCM of 3, 6 and 2. LCM is 6. Now multiply by 6 in all the terms of the equation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 terms. So we have to multiply in all the 5 terms to 6. So let's multiply 6 into x, 6 into 7, 6 into 8x by 3, 6 into 17 by 6 and 6 into 5x by 2. So we have multiplied by 6 in all the terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have multiplied by in all the terms. Now multiply 6x, 6 7s are 42, cut 3 2s are 6, 2 8s are 16x, 6 6 cut, so what left? Only 17, 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15x. So children, see, we have converted without fraction. No fraction is there, not a single fraction now. Now easily we can solve. So bringing variable one side, before 6x, this is minus 16x is already there, and now minus 15 transpose here. So when we transpose, it will change the sign. Minus 15x becomes plus 15x. 17 plus 42 will go there, minus 42. Now 6 plus 6 minus 16 minus 10, minus 10 plus 15 plus 5. 12 minus 7, 5, 4 minus 2, 2, minus 25. X equals to minus 25 by 5. Therefore, x equals to minus 5. So see how simply we have solved the equation. Now, proceed to question number 4. X minus 5 upon 3 equals to x minus 3 upon 5. So again, take LCM. LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So multiply by 15. 15 into, in both the terms, there are only two terms, one here and one here. 15 into expression, 15 into x minus 5 by 3. Now don't forget to put bracket. X minus 5, put bracket, this was this one of the expressions, so put one bracket here. So we are multiplying by 15 in both the sides of the equation. In each term, so 15 into, again put bracket children. Otherwise, some problems where minus sign, plus sign mistake, multiplication mistake, distributive property, and it will be wrong. So better put bracket here also, bracket here also. Now cut 3 5 is 15, 5 3 is 15. Now distributive property, multiply 5 into x, 5x, 5 5s are 25. 3 into x, 3x, 3 3s are 9. So see, we have converted a very difficult equation into very simple equation. Now transposing variable one side, and while transposing, sign always changes. So minus 25 becomes plus 25, minus sign as it is 3x becomes minus 3x. 5 minus 3, 2x. 25 minus 9, 14, 16, sorry. So x equals to 16 by 2, 16 by 2 equals to 8. So see how we have solved equation in very easy manner. Now let us do question number 5. The same pattern. Again we have to take LCM of all denominators. 4, 3, 3. So what is LCM? LCM of 4, 3 and 3. So what is LCM, children? 12. Now multiply by 12 in both the side of the equation to each and every term. So or expression 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 terms expression. So we will multiply by 12 in all the sides. 12. Don't forget to put bracket, children. In if it is expression, put bracket. So 3t minus 2, we have put bracket by 4. And we have multiplied by 12 also. Minus 12 into. Here also don't forget to put bracket. 2t plus 3 by 3. Here only one term, so no need to put bracket. 12 into 2 by 3. And last minus 12 into t. So we have multiplied by 12. See 1, 2, 3, 4. In expression we have to put bracket because we have to multiply using distributive property. So correct, simplify. 4 is 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 into 2t plus 3. 4 2s are 8 and minus 20. Before doing solving further, first we have to multiply. 3 3s are 90. Distributive property. 3 2s are 6. Don't forget to put this is minus sign, children. Minus. Don't forget this minus. This minus will change the sign or inside the bracket. Minus 4 to the minus 80. This is the children doing mistake here only. They are doing 4 is 12 plus 12. But minus into plus is minus. 4 is 12. So this is the main problem children facing. What they are doing, they are putting sign here minus, but they are not putting sign here minus. Instead they are writing here plus, and one single mistake of minus will change the entire question. The answer will not come. 4 to the 80 minus into plus minus 4 to the 12. 8 minus 12. Now first simplify here only. 90 minus 80 t. Minus 6 plus 12, minus 6 plus 12, minus 6 and minus 12, minus 18. And here, 8 minus 12t as it is, we can't subtract variable with constant. Now bringing variable to one side, t minus 12t becomes plus 12t. And constant to other side, constant, let's bring in constant to other side, 8 minus 18 will come here, plus 18. T means 1t. 1t plus 12t, 13t. 13t equals to 26. Means t equals to 26 by 13. 13 to the 26. So see how difficult looking equation we have converted and we have solved and we got the answer. T equals to 2. Understood, children? Now let us proceed further with question number 6. Looking very difficult. Lots of minus is there. Minus there, minus there, minus, minus. Looking difficult to solve, but it is very easy if you follow the proper method. LCM. First take LCM. LCM of 2 and 3. 6. First take LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 equals to 6. LCM is 6. So now multiply with 6 in all the terms of the equation. All the terms in both the sides. 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. We have to multiply with 4 sixes. So let's multiply 6 into m. Now again don't forget to put bracket. We have multiplied by 6 and bracket m minus 1. See here, no bracket here, so we have to put bracket here. Minus, we have multiplied by 6. Minus is already there. Then 1 into 6. 6 into 1. And then minus 6 into, put bracket, m minus 2 by 3. And minus already outside. We have multiplied by 6, so 6 into. Now after here minus 1 by 2 is also there. Now cut. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Now 6m minus multiply minus 3 into m minus 3m minus into minus. We have outside minus is there. So minus into minus plus. Don't forget this thing, children. Minus into minus plus. 3 in 1s are 3. If one single mistake of minus, the whole question will change and it is wrong then. So minus 3 into m minus 3m minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3. Here also 6 1s are 6 minus 2 into m minus 2m minus 2 into m minus 2m minus into minus plus minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. So see, we have multiplied minus 2 into m minus 2m minus 2 into 2 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. So see, no fraction are there now. So simplifying further, 6m minus 3m, 3m plus 3. Now 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 2m. Now see how simple this equation is. We're bringing variable to one side, minus 2m will come here, plus 2m, this minus 2m will come here, and plus 3 will go there. 10 minus 3. 3m plus 2m, 5m. 5m equals to 7. It implies m equals to 7 by 5. So see, we have completed this question. Now starting with question number 7. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. So let's simplify 4 more simple equations. So there is no fractions now. We have to multiply just directly. So let's multiply. Set distributive property. 3 into t, 3t. 3 3s are 9. 5 2s are 10t. 5 1s are 5. Simply we have to multiply this one. So we have multiplied. Now bringing variable one side, 3t minus 10t. And while doing so, sign will change. 5 plus 9. Minus 9 becomes plus 9. We have to bring variable one side. 10t becomes minus 10t. Minus 9 becomes plus 9. 3t minus 10t minus 7t equals to 9 plus 5, 14. Minus 7. This is minus 7, children. So t equals to minus 14 divided by plus 14 divided by minus 7. 7 1s are 7 2s are, and this minus will go up. So minus 2 by 1 means minus 2 only. So see how simple it is. Now let us proceed question number 8. And this question 8 is same as question number 7th, only we have to multiply. Again, distributive property 15, we have to multiply y minus 4, minus 2 we have to multiply y minus 9, and 5 we have to multiply y plus 6. But just take care, whenever minus is there, you have to take extra precautions, because this minus, when we multiply it, then you must write correct sign, otherwise the whole question will change, the answer solution will change, and you will not get the correct answer. So multiplying 15 into y, 15y, 15 4s are minus 60, minus plus is there, plus 15 5s, minus 2 into y, minus 2y, minus into minus plus 2 9s are 18, 5 into y, 5y, 5 6 are 30 equals to 0. So after this, just there is no variable on right hand side, so we will not change any sign, just we will collect all variables together. 15y minus 2y, we are not changing sign, children, we are not bringing from any other side, so it will remain as it is. 15y minus 2y plus 5y, we are not taking from right hand side, it is all on left hand side only we are arranging it. So this all variables we have put together and all constants, minus 60 plus 18 and plus 30. So we arrange all and equals to 0 as it is, there is no change here. Now simplify. 15 minus 2, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18y plus, now see, 30 plus 18, 48 plus 48 plus 48 and minus 12 plus 48 and minus 60, sorry, plus 48 and minus 60 minus 12, so we have written minus 12 equals to 0. Now we can solve easily. Minus 12 will go there, plus 12, 0 plus 12 or only simply 12. Y equals to 12 by 18. Cut 6 2s are 6 3s are. It implies y equals to 2 by 3 is our solution. So see children how we have done this question. Now let's start question number 9. Question 9 is same as question number 8. Again we have to multiply, children. Distributive property, 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21, and don't forget to put minus, plus into minus, minus. Minus outside, so be careful children. Minus outside, so be careful. Minus 2 into 9, minus 18z. Minus into minus, plus 2 11s are 22. Just don't forget this minus. This minus very dangerous here outside. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. 2 11s are 22. Here also. 4 8s are 32z. 4 13s are 52. Minus 52. There is no minus outside. In this here only minus. So minus only. And minus 17 is outside the range of this bracket 4. So it will remain as it is. Don't multiply 4 with 17 now. No. Because 4 is in multiplication with this 2 only. Now, before transposing, let's simplify here only. First 15z and minus 18z. 15 minus 18, collecting like terms. So 15 minus 18 minus 3. Minus 21 and minus 22. Minus 21 plus 22 plus 1. 22 minus 21. 1 plus 1. Here also 32z minus 52 minus 17. Minus minus plus sign minus. So minus 69. Now bringing variable one side 3z. Transpose 32 here. Minus 32. Sign will change. Minus 69. Plus 1 will go there. Minus 1. Minus minus plus sign minus 35z. Minus minus plus sign minus, minus 70. Means z equals to minus 70 by minus 35. Now cut minus 35 ones are 35 twos are. So it implies z equals to 2 is our solution. So see children how looking very difficult, and now how it is easy to solve. Now let us do question number 10, last question of this exercise. So let's start this one also. So again we have to multiply children as usual as we have done question number 9. Here also we have to multiply 0.25 into 4. Only thing is that here decimal is there. So no need to afraid of decimal. Just multiply 0.25 into 4f minus 0.25 into 3. 0.05 into 10f minus 0.05 into 9. Okay, now multiply further. 25 4 is 100 and point is there, so 1, only 1 will come, 1f. You multiply 25 4 is 100 and decimal you have to shift the 1f. 0.253 is 0.75. 0.05 into 10. When you multiply by 10, the decimal shift to 1 place, right? So 0.5f. Now 5 9 is 45, 0.45. So after multiplying with decimals, now let's shift. Let transpose. This is 1f, or simple f you can write 1f minus this 0.5f. This is variable, this is variable. Bringing variable one side, so change the sign. Now bringing this side to here, so it becomes plus 1 minus 0.5, half. 1 minus half, 0.5, or you can subtract. Now subtract this also. 5 minus 5 is minus 4, 3, 0.30. Means f equals to 0.30. There is no important 0 after decimal, so we can remove it or we can put no problem at all. So f equals to 0.3 divided by 0.5. Decimal in the same place, 10th place, here also 10th place, so we can remove, we can write as 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is the answer, or we can write in decimal 5, 6 is 30, 0.6 we can write. So this comes to an end of this exercise. Hope you enjoy and hope you understood everything. So just it is requested to all of you that you have to solve by your own. Solve it yourself first. First see it and then solve by yourself. Then you come to know of your mistakes. Your errors will come only when you solve by yourself. So it's better to solve yourself all the questions. Thank you.